Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. We are doing division. This is second episode of division exercises, and our very first question is 375 divided by 3. If you don't know basic rules of division, please watch another episode. Link is in the description box. Okay, and please watch first episode also to understand very clearly. Okay, and this is the second episode of exercises. In our first episode, we divided only pure number. Pure number means there is no remaining. Means in today's lesson there is a remaining. What did that means? Let's do. So please take position. So our dividend are 3 digits, and our divisor is 1 digit. So 3 digits subtract 1 digit, you got 2. So our marked rod is 2 positions. So place your dividend from here 3, 7 and 5. Okay, and place your pointed finger here. Start to divide. 3 divided by 3, your answer is 1. Here I have to say something. I'm not a good English speaker, so please do not comment on my English language, and I love to say answer instead of quotient. So its pronunciation is very difficult pronunciation, so I like to say answer, so please don't be confused about that. Okay, and sorry for the bad English. Come to our question. Okay, 3 divided by 3, your answer is 1, and you have to place your answer 2 rod left side here and subtract the same amount 3 from here, and change your pointer finger to the right side. Next, 7 divided by 3 means here is a remaining, means you can divide 7 by 3 2, and there is 1 remaining. Yes, 3 2 6 and 1 remaining here, means place your answer 2 rods left side from your pointer finger, so 2 here, and reduce only 6, because 3 2s are 6. We place 2 here, and we have to reduce only 6 from here, means 6, 1 and 5, 6. Okay, and don't forget to change your pointer finger. Okay, and next, here one more technique. Here we have only 5, but remaining, we have remaining here 1 5 15. So you have to read this 15, and next we have to divide this 15 by this 3. So means this remaining 1 here and 5, this goes 15. So 3 5s are 15. So place your answer 2 rod left side, 1 2 rod left side, 5, and reduce that 15. Don't forget to reduce 15, 1 and 5. Okay, and we finished our dividend, and we have our answer 1 2 5. We have to read till the marked rod. Okay, 1 2 5 is our answer. Hope you understand. So let's go to another question. 876 divided by 4. So take position 3 digits, subtract 1 digit, you got 2. Take place from the marked rod 8 and 7 and 6. Place your dividend on the abacus. Let's start. 8 divided by 4, your answer is 2. So place that 2 rods left side from your pointed rod, 1 2, and place here, and reduce that dividend. 4 2s are 8. So you have to reduce that 8 or subtract that 8 from the dividend. Okay, and change your pointer finger. 7 divided by 4, answer is 1, and there is remaining how many? 3 remaining here, 3 remaining here. So place 1 2 rod left side here, and reduce only 4 from here, because 4 1 is 4, so you have to reduce 4 from this rod. This is ones place. Pointed rod is ones place, so don't forget about that. Pointed rod is a ones place, so you have to reduce 4 from here. To reduce 4, you have to borrow this 5, and you have to apply how to borrow 5 for the addition and subtraction technique here. So to reduce 4 by borrowing 5 means you have to add friend 1 of 4 and reduce this 5. This is the addition and subtraction technique. So you have to know how to do addition and subtraction on the abacus, and 2 to 9 multiplication table to the division on the abacus. So this is a little bit vast, so please start to learn from the addition and subtraction. Okay, so if you are very beginner for the lesson. Okay, so we reduce that 4 and change your place here. Okay, this pointed rod, and again start to 36. Remaining 3 from 7 and 6 is goes 36. So 36 divided by 4. Your answer is 9. So place your answer 2 rod left side 9 here and reduce that 36. 4 9s are 36 and finished. Dividends are finished, and we have our answer 219. Okay, 219 is our answer. So there is some question on your screen. Please try to do that. If you have any comments, any question, please comment to me or email to me, or you can connect directly from the messenger. Please follow my Facebook page also. You can get notification there. So next episode, next technique. Keep learning, and ta-da!